In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create a crosstab query. So in mine, I have all the breeds listed here, and then I wanted to know between male and female, what was the average age of the American Bulldogs that we had in our facility, the Basset Hounds. So it's just kind of a more complex search, but I would go to Query Wizard. That's one way to do it. Crosstab Query, and then it's going to take you through a series of questions. Do you want to add a table, a query, or both? So I'm just going to choose tables, and I'm going to do the owner or pet table. And then what do you want going down this first column here? So here's where I said, well, let's try breed. And if you go through these and it doesn't end up looking the way that you want, you can go back through and just change. And it's trying to show you down here what it's going to look like to give you an idea. And now it wants to ask, well, now what do you want to know about the gender and these breeds? So we've got age, medications, vaccinations. So I'm going to try age, and then it has a function it will do. Do you want to know the average age? Do you want it to count the ages? That wouldn't really make sense. Do you want to know the minimum age, the maximum age? So I'm going to have it do the average age. Here's where you can name that and finish. And this is what it gives you. So it lists all the different breeds of animals we have, and by male and female, what's the average age of that breed? And that is a crosstab query.